In this lesson, we are going to reduce the given fraction to its lowest term. We have here an example. We have 27 all over 81. To reduce this fraction to its lowest term, we first have to find out the greatest common factor of 27 and 81. We will list down first the factors of 27 and 81. So the factors of 27, we have here 1 multiplied by 27, and we also have 3 multiplied by 9. There are no more factors for 27, and the factors of 81 are the following. We have 1 multiplied by 81, we have 3 multiplied by 27, and we have 9 multiplied by 9. We will now determine the common factors. 1 is a factor of 27 as well as 81. 3 is a factor of 27 as well as 81. 9 is a factor of 27 as well as 81. And 27 is a factor of 27 as well as 81. The largest among all the 4 factors is 27. Therefore, the greatest common factor of 27 and 81 is 27. The second step now is to divide the numerator, which is 27, divide this by the greatest common factor, which is also 27, and divide the denominator also by the greatest common factor, which is 27. And then 27 divided by 27 is 1, and then 81 divided by 27 is equal to 3. We cannot simplify or reduce to its lowest term 1 all over 3. Therefore, 1 over 3 is our final answer.